Guys, thanks a lot for listening to this video in which I'm going to show you how to run a unit proof test in panel data analysis using Eviews. So unit proof test in panel data analysis is not fundamentally different in Eviews according to the procedure. So the difference is on different methods that are used. First step is to open a series. For example, I have exchange rate here. I just open my series. To make a unit proof test, I just need to go on view. Then I click on unit proof test. So in unit proof test, the first thing to do is to choose for a test type. So in this tab, we have a wide range of tests that are used in order to see whether or not there is a unit proof in series using Eviews. So we have Living Shoe, Brand to Tung test, Impesaram and Shoe, Fisher augmented Gefuller, Perong, Fisher Perong, and we have hardware test. So for example, if I'm going to run Impesaram Shin test, so I just click on this option, select the individual unit proof test of Impesaram Shin. By default, value of test for units value is at level. We have also first difference and second difference test, but we'll keep first difference. For example, is used when the series is not stationary and level, and we search for the level of stationary and we run first difference. So if first difference test lead to the conclusion that the series is not stationary at first difference, we can run second difference test. So for now, we will keep first difference test, and we have to include in our equation individual intercept and trend for Shin test. So we'll keep now individual intercept in our test, then we click on OK, and we can see that according to Impesaram Shoe test, our series exchange rate is stationary because p-value is less than 5%. So less than 5% means that we reject the null hypothesis, which is there is a unit proof in our series. So rejecting the null hypothesis of unit proof means that our series is stationary. When we consider a 5%, even a 1% level, we can consider that our series is stationary. We can also look at augmented Gefuller Fisher test, and then click on OK. We can see that chi-square show that our series is stationary at level. So let us look at export, for example, then open the series, go on view, unit proof test, then click on Impesaram Shoe, for example. So then we click on OK, and we can see that our p-value is 1, meaning that our series, we cannot reject the null hypothesis, meaning that we accept the null hypothesis of the presence of unit proof in our series. So we should look at second difference stationarity test in order to determine the level of integration. So we go on view, unit proof test, first difference, we select first difference, and then click on OK, and we can see that the p-value is less than 5%, meaning that we reject null hypothesis that series have a unit proof series is stationary as difference. So that's it for this video, and we hope I've helped you understand how to run unit proof and interpret tests using Eviews.